Bathroom remodel financing isn't just for people who can't afford the project. Here's why financially stable homeowners are actually financing remodels intentionally. First, financing protects your savings. Even if you have the cash, many homeowners don't want to drain their emergency funds. Second, remodeling costs keep rising. Waiting often means paying more later for the exact same project. Third, monthly payments. They feel very different than lump sums. A $25,000 remodel may look more like $300 a month. The key is making sure that the payment that you pick fits comfortably into your life. We break down financing options, costs, and common mistakes in our full guide, which is available to you by clicking on the links provided. Financing isn't just about affording the project. It's about how you can best accomplish it.